want to do the intro for you? What is hey, that's rude.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
He says subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Huh?
You
Welcome back to the channel. As you saw on the thumbnail, we're getting rid of this not that loud exhaust. Has to go. So we're saying bye to the NVIDIA N1 dual catback exhaust, and we're gonna go over to Manny's house and he's gonna help me install a new to me exhaust. So you guys will see soon what exhaust we're getting. So I'm pretty excited because I haven't bought anything for this car in a couple of years, I would say. Honestly, not really, it was a couple of months. So it's been a long time since we worked on the WRX. It needs a little bit of refining, if you ask me. We haven't worked on this car in a long time, so it needs some love. It is my daily now that I have sold the Jeep, so I'm pretty excited. As you heard in the beginning, those are the cold start, etc, etc. We're gonna go down to Manny's house and install and swap out the exhausts. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Something new for the WRX. So yeah, let's go to Manny's house and get this install started.
Don't film this! Behind the scenes!
So we'll be reviewing this. We're gonna move the cars around so that we fit my car over here, and then we'll be installing that exhaust.
This might slip, so...
Huh? Excuse how dirty this car is. It's been raining, look at this. Raining, dusty, everything. I'm sorry guys, I haven't washed this car and I'm not planning on washing it until the rain stops, so sorry again. But we have two exhausts to choose from, and I'm going with a very special one, and a very loud one at best. It's gonna be insanely loud, guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it's gonna sound. I'll show you guys the exhaust in a bit. NVIDIA, gotta get rid of those two bad boys right there. You gotta go. That is what's been muffling the noise out of this exhaust. Beautiful exhaust, in my opinion. Burnt tips. It looks beautiful, in my opinion. But I'm gonna get a quad tip, and it's the ETS, I think, Track Edition, which has no mufflers, no resonators, straight piped. Are you guys ready for this? Look at this guy coming in with it.
ETS Track Edition exhaust.
ETS Track Edition exhaust.
Ah!
No cats, no mufflers, no resonators,
No cats, no resonator, no cat.
no nothing. Straight piped. No one has to know. And it's a quad tip. What's beautiful.
Sorry, I gotta clean it.
Yeah, you do.
Look at this fat boy right here. Look at this compared to that. Look at this compared to that.
Oh my god, that's gonna
Look
be,
at this. See that?
That's gonna be insane.
Look, you see how it goes to 3 and then it fucking breaks off and goes smaller? Look at these 3s and it stays.
Yeah, we're gonna get this ETS Track Edition exhaust, catback exhaust, installed in the WRX. Oh man.
Cat back, what cat?
With the catback, right?
Yeah, but there's no cats.
Yeah, there's
here.
no cats in it, but it's still
I'm
catback.
allergic.
Jesus, just
We
look at the
allergic.
size of that thing.
Come on, Danny. We're allergic to them cats.
Loud as fuck.
Your camera.
Rip, Ripperino, rip.
should have done that. Should I delete your cats?
Says the water's fine. Like I give up. Bye. My God, guys, it's too dark right now to, you know, do pools and shit out here. So tomorrow, the next day, I'll record this thing outside, do some flybys and stuff like that, so you guys can check out how it sounds. Guys, oh shit. Alright guys, it is the next day. Here we have the ETS Track Edition exhaust. You heard, it's insanely loud, so it's time for some clips. This is pretty much the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming it and hearing this damn exhaust, because it's insanely loud. I'm in love with this car all over again. So yeah, let's get some flybys done. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment for more. I'm so excited, guys. It sounds incredible. It's time for me to shut up, and this is gonna be it, guys. Until next time, peace out. hop in?
No.